हाँ.
We are going to Statue of Unity. Let's go.
So today's plan is to visit Statue of Unity. If you are in Ahmedabad, it is very easy to reach there as there is train available from Ahmedabad to Kevadiya Railway Station. All the details regarding train will be in the description box. It was 2 hours journey from Ahmedabad. As we reach station, there is free bus from station which take us directly to Statue of Unity. To roam around at Statue of Unity, you need to keep your legs strong as the place is real big. You'll get to see jungle safari, valley of flowers, glow garden, cactus garden, Sardar Sarovar Dam, and of course the Statue of Unity inside outside. One thing which is very annoying is that there is no such good place to eat. They have subways and CCDs, but we didn't find any South Indian food or at least a good meal there. There is this restaurant besides a valley of flowers where we ate Punjabi thali, but believe me, the taste of the thali was worst. Statue of Unity is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Home Minister of India. Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, standing at the height of 182 meters. The statue is located at the shore of the Narmada River, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam. As you enter the statue, you will get to see the exhibitions and the video of making the statue. You can also go to the 45th floor of the statue to see the top view, for which you have to book tickets. Online or offline ticket bookings are available. After spending the whole day, we reached to the place near statue to see the laser show, which was really commendable. For me, the only good thing about the Statue of Unity was the laser show, which started at 7 pm and lasts for 20 minutes.
पटेल नाम कहलाता था सरदार, कृषक कार्मिक जनगण से था उसको प्यार अपार, अखिल देश ने उसे रहनुमा किया था स्वीकार। प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में बनी विश्व की इस विशालतम प्रतिमा के सामने आकर सारी दुनिया जैसे स्वयं ही
That's it for the day. Day 4 ended here and we returned to Ahmedabad. Day 5 was our checkout day and we decided to visit Science City Ahmedabad. The entry fee for this place is Rs 50, which does not include anything, and there is also combo tickets available for Rs 499, which include everything inside and which take almost 6 to 7 hours to complete all the places. You will get to see aquatic gallery, robotic gallery, some amazing rides, 3D and 5D shows. place is so big that it will take your whole day. We also went to Vintage Car Museum, which is now called as Dastan Auto World. But I didn't shoot anything there as because the entry fees there was ₹100 and for taking pictures or videos you have to pay ₹100 extra, which is not worth at all. I felt the place was very overpriced and didn't worth watching. But if you are a vintage car lover, you can definitely go there.